Wait, I'm in French Parliament. I think I lost my red car. Where do you think it should be? Can you please help me find my red car? What is this? Is this my red car? No! This is a cat! Still, I'm still looking for my red car. Where is it? Is this my red car? Is this my red car? No. This is a dog. Please help me find my red car. I don't know where it is. Is this my red car? No. This is a chicken. Yay, it's a chicken. Please. Oh, where is my red car? Is this my red car? No. This is a car, but it's yellow color. Still, I'm looking for my car, which is a red color. Red color. I'm just gonna look properly now this time. Should I look on the other side? Yes? Oh, okay, thank you. Oh yeah, it's here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm so happy now. Yeah. Baker. Did you see my camel? Where do you think is my camel? What is this? Is this my camel? No, this is an apple. I still have to think. Where is my camel? Where is it? Is this my camel? No. This is a train. Choo-choo. Still have to check where is my camel. I lost my camel. Where do you think is my camel? Is this my camel? No, this is a spider. Yeah, spider. But wait, where do you think is my camel? Can you please help me find my camel? Thank you. So, let's see. Is this my camel? No. This is a crocodile. Yeah. Crocodile. Now, let's see, where is my camel? Should I look this side? Oh, look! Here is my camera! Yay! Yay! Let's say together, milk. 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 Let's say milk. Me. Milk. More. Milk. More. Milk. More milk. 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 More milk. More milk. Hi! Let's learn how to point. This is my car. This is my chair. This is my ball. And that's my airplane. This is my elephant. This is my lion. This is my bird. Well done! Let's learn how to wave. Yeah! And now it's your turn. Yes! Wave! Wave with one hand. Wave with the other hand. Let's wave with both hands. Yay! Now your turn. Yes! Waving! 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 Say hi! Wave and say hi! Hi!